Hello everyone. In the name of Yesaya SY Suhamasya, welcome to my YouTube channel, Small Talk to ESL, American English for Indonesian ESL. Okay, now we talk about English verb tenses, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Signal words, usage, and timeline. Oke, selamat datang di Small Talk to ESL YouTube channel, American English untuk Indonesia yang belajar bahasa Inggris sebagai bahasa kedua. Kita sekarang akan membahas tentang tenses, kata kerja tenses bahasa Inggris yang berkenaan dengan future perfect dan future perfect continuous. Di sini kita akan mengulas atau membahas tentang kata-kata tanda, penggunaan, dan garis waktu. Okay, verb tenses. The meaning of verb tenses expresses the time of an event or action. Time and how it is expressed in writing are very important to English readers. Jadi kata kerja tenses mengekspresikan waktu suatu peristiwa atau tindakan. Waktu dan bagaimana hal itu diekspresikan secara tertulis sangat penting bagi pembaca bahasa Inggris. Okay, A. Future perfect tense. Structure. Okay, I'm gonna change the pointer to laser pointer. Structure. Subject plus will plus have plus verb 3, past participle or object or complement. Definition atau pengertian. The future perfect tense expresses action that will be finished at some point in the future. The future perfect tense indicates action that are complete or finished. These actions have not yet occurred, but will occur in and be finished in the future. Jadi future perfect tense mengungkapkan tindakan yang akan selesai di beberapa titik di masa depan. Future perfect tense juga menunjukkan tindakan yang telah dilakukan atau selesai. Tindakan ini belum terjadi, tetapi akan terjadi dan selesai di masa depan. Future perfect tense. Structure in affirmative or positive forms. Subject plus will plus have plus verb 3 plus object or complement. In negative form, subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb 3 plus object or complement. In interrogative form, will plus subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object or complement. Using subject plus auxiliary, she, he, it, or they. Use subject plus will plus have equals subject plus be plus going to plus have. I or we use subject plus will plus have equals subject plus be plus going to plus have. Short or contracted forms: he, she, will, he'll or she'll, you will, you'll, I shall, I'll, we shall, will not, won't. Future future perfect tense. Usage: One, for action that will be completed before something in the future. Untuk tindakan yang akan diselesaikan sebelum sesuatu di masa depan. Okay, let's take a look the example. By the time you finish dinner, I will have finished dessert. Pada saat Anda selesai makan malam, saya akan menyelesaikan makanan penutup. Tomorrow, he will have run the race. Besok dia akan menjalankan perlombaan, akan melaksanakan mengikuti perlombaan. When my father arrives, I will have been ready to leave for 20 minutes. Ketika ayah saya tiba, saya akan siap untuk pergi selama 20 menit. Okay, this is the image or the picture of the timeline for future perfect tense. Okay, future perfect tense usage atau penggunaan. 2. For action of duration before something in future, indicate action that are currently occurring and will continue to some point in the future. Untuk tindakan durasi sebelum sesuatu di masa depan menunjukkan tindakan yang saat ini terjadi dan akan terus beberapa titik di masa depan. Okay, let's take a look the example. I will have been walking for 2 hours by the time you wake up. Saya akan bekerja selama 2 jam pada saat Anda bangun. Next month, we will have been dating for 2 years. Bulan depan kami akan berkencan. Kami akan telah berkencan selama 2 tahun. When you visit Santa Barbara, I will have lived there for 3 years. Ketika Anda mengunjungi Santa Barbara, saya akan tinggal di sana selama 3 tahun. Okay, let's take a look the picture or the timeline of future perfect tense. This one, start from this one until at the point in the future. Okay, next, the future perfect structure: subject plus will plus had plus verb 3 plus object or complement, and the signal word atau kata-kata tanda until, for, before, by the end of the day, by the end of the week, or by the end of the month, and etc. Okay, let's take a look the example of the structure in positive. I will have finished reading this book. I will not have finished reading this book. Will I have finished reading this book? Okay. B. Future perfect continuous. Strukturnya subject plus will plus be plus verb ing plus object or complement. Definitions atau pengertian: an action that is happening and continue in the future, we must employ the use of the future perfect continuous tense. Whilst the name of this tense might seem long and complicated, its use and rules are quite easy to understand. Tindakan yang akan terjadi dan berlanjut di masa depan ketika harus menggunakan penggunaan future perfect continuous tense. Meskipun nama tenses ini mungkin tampak panjang dan rumit, penggunaan dan aturannya cukup mudah dipahami. Future perfect continuous a structure in positive or affirmative form. Subject plus will plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object or complement. A negative form, subject plus will plus not plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object or complement. Interrogative form, will plus subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object or complement. Using subject plus auxiliary, she, he, it, or they use subject plus will plus had equals subject plus be plus going to plus had. I or we use subject plus will plus had plus or equals subject or be plus going to plus had. Short or contracted from he, she, will, he'll or she'll, you will, you'll, I shall, I'll, we shall, will not, won't. Future perfect continuous tense. Usage 1. To show that something will continue up until a particular event or time in the future. Untuk menunjukkan bahwa sesuatu akan terus berlanjut hingga peristiwa atau waktu tertentu di masa depan. Okay, let's take a look at the example. James will have been teaching at the university for more than a year by the time he leaves for Asia. James akan telah mengajar di universitas selama lebih dari 1 tahun pada saat dia berangkat ke Asia. I will have been studying anthropology for 2 years only. Saya akan mempelajari antropologi selama 2 tahun saja. You will have been waiting since 7 a.m. Anda akan menunggu sejak jam 7 pagi. Future perfect continuous tense. Usage atau penggunaan. It expresses longer action or states extending up to some specific event or time in the future. Jadi hal itu menggunakan tindakan, tindakan atau keadaan yang lebih panjang hingga beberapa peristiwa atau waktu tertentu di masa depan. Okay, let's take a look at the example. Ram will have been waiting for an hour by the time I meet him. Ram akan sudah menunggu selama 1 jam saat aku bertemu dengannya. Next Monday, we will have been living here for exactly 5 years. Senin depan kami akan telah tinggal di sini selama tepat 5 tahun. The future perfect continuous structure, subject plus will plus had plus been plus verbing plus object or complement. Okay, for the signal word of the future perfect continuous, by plus this year, by this month, by this week, next year, next month, next week, for an hour, for 5 years, by then, since a morning, since 1995, by tomorrow. Okay, let's take a look at the example. In a positive form, you will have been driving. You will not have been driving. Will you have been driving? Okay. These are example of the future perfect continuous in affirmative, negative, and interrogative form. Okay, let's take a look the timeline of the future perfect continuous. This one from the present to the future. Okay, start from this one, yeah, until this one. Okay. Okay, how about your opinion about future simple and future perfect tense and future perfect continuous. Yeah, if you like this video, you can support this video with like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. See you next video.